If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this short-term sell position out of the money contract here on the 5-minute binaries. You could look at this position as being a more aggressive strategy on the USD JPY pair here, especially considering we are in on a 5-minute contract as opposed to a 2-hour gradual decline here. We're looking for a sharp move to the downside. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and set my take profit limit order here for, let's see, 61, 120. So we will take profits at around 20 would be perfect. So we will take profits at 20. We will automatically be stopped out. By that point, we should be around this strike area when our profit triggers. Let me go ahead and show you why I got into this position here. Oh, well, we might get there sooner than expected here. And then I will show you exactly why I got into this position in the first place and why I decided to choose an out of the money position rather than the closest in the money strike. And that will make perfectly clear sense here in just a moment. So you know what, it does look like we are kind of meeting some resistance here, so that'll give me a chance to show you on the charts. So look at this, an absolute bull run to the upside here. As you can see, what I have charted here is exactly what to look out for. So we are getting that downward move. Yeah, so we're getting very close to our take profit here. All right. So basically, we had some stagnation combined with a slight downtrend. So a slight downtrend here, but mostly a consolidation period here. Then you see we have a breakout to the upside. We had this long wick indicating that there was no more room to go to the downside. Then we had this large break above the center Bollinger Band up to the upper Bollinger Band, testing that short-term resistance. And as you can see, this is a break of the trend. That's trigger 1 for a good buy position. But as you can see, we actually had some more resistance here, and we're already seeing a drop off in the bullish volume, in the short term. Let me see. We could be getting very close here. All right, so I'll take you back. Sorry, I want to catch the profit on camera, but it really is important that I get across why I got in this position. So as you can see, as the trend continues up here, we do continue to see that bullish volume selling off. This is what you call a divergence. I mentioned this a million times in my videos. People that are familiar with the channel know exactly what there is to love about divergence. It's everything about a confluence of different signals lining up and reiterating that the position you are seeking to profit from is, makes you more confident in your position, let's put it that way. It reassures you that you are making the right decision. So as you can see up here, now the bullish volume is getting to an all-time low here. And we have broken the Bollinger Band, the upper Bollinger Band several times. We've broken previous resistance several times. We are now at a point where we are overextended. So here we are, $2 away. Boom, just like that, guys. $82 profit in the short term. Not even holding into expiration. There's still another minute left until expiration. You only have to be right in the short term. And that is the point I want to speak on, why I chose to get an out of the money position as opposed to at the money. With out of the money, your profit to risk ratio is more skewed in your favor. Let's say you get 1 out of 3 positions correct. Those other 2 can be wrong. As soon as you get another one correct, you are back into profit city. So that is exactly why I love out of the money positions, and primarily for these short-term 5-minute binaries that can be very risky, especially compared to their 1 hour, 1 day, and intraday counterparts. You definitely want to take these positions with a grain of salt. The 5-minute binaries are extremely risky. I don't trade them very often, but I know trading them makes for better and quicker content for you guys. And also, I would be lying if I said the 5-minute binaries didn't have some of the nicest setups and the quickest risk to reward ratio. but they can be more risky in the fact that you can get false setups all the time in these 5-minute binaries, so that makes them more risky. But if you would like to learn more about how to do these or trade with us, check out the Informed Traders Educational Package or join us in the Shadow Trading Program where we trade 5 nights a week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below, and let's start making this money together.